Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS GU603Z. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users have reported that some keys on their ASUS GU603Z do not respond. This issue can arise from dust accumulation beneath the keys, a malfunctioning keyboard connector, or even a hardware failure. If left unaddressed, it can lead to more significant problems, making your device increasingly difficult to use. To begin the repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement keyboard for the ASUS GU603Z. Start by ensuring your device is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Carefully flip the ASUS GU603Z over, and using the Phillips screwdriver, remove all screws on the back panel. Keep them in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious as you do this to avoid damaging any clips. After opening the device, locate the keyboard connector. It is usually found near the top of the device. Carefully detach the connector by lifting the locking mechanism, which will allow you to remove the keyboard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, take your replacement keyboard and connect it to the motherboard by aligning the connector properly and securing it in place. Once connected, double-check that all cables are clear of any other components, and there are no obstructions. Now it's time to reassemble the device. Carefully place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure all screws are tight, but be careful not to over-tighten them as this could damage the casing. After reassembling, power on your ASUS GU603Z and test the keyboard to ensure all keys are functioning correctly. If everything works well, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the keyboard. To prevent this issue in the future, try to keep your device clean and avoid eating or drinking near it. Regular maintenance can help keep your keyboard in good condition. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.